How many hours do you spend breaking down PRDs into user stories and loading them into Jira? In this video, you will learn how to automate the full pipeline from PRD to user stories to Jira without copy-paste, without manual formatting. By the end, you will be able to cut refinements from 3 hours with endless discussions to 45 minutes with consistent tickets and without losing the PRD context. I'm Nacho Bassino, and every week I share how to use AI in product management practices. And I hope you are familiar with this situation. You have got solid PRD, stakeholders reviewed it, the team is aligned, everything is ready to start building. But first comes the breakdown into user stories. Writing each story, figuring out the right slicing, defining acceptance criteria, loading everything into Jira field by field, mapping dependencies. It's work nobody enjoys, but someone has to do it. And then comes the 2-hour refinement where we end up discussing things that were already decided in the PRD. Nobody remembers exactly why we made that decision. It's not about lack of skill, it's cognitive fatigue. The story that you write at 6 p.m. isn't the same quality as the one you wrote at 9 a.m. when you were fresh. The context from page 3 of the PRD gets lost somewhere in the translation, and we fall into predictable patterns. The Odyssey story that covers too much ground, or the generic as a user that tells developers nothing. We know that 70% of rework costs come from requirement errors. It's 50 times more expensive to fix an error in production versus in design, at least until AI is writing 100% of its code.